The palace has mandated that officials from the Department of Transportation commute like ordinary passengers to better understand their struggles. The palace believes that government officials need to walk in the commuters' shoes to make informed decisions. The Department of Transportation also plans to require officials to submit reports and recommendations to improve the commuter experience. Undersecretary Claire Castro added that if the policies are reasonable, the President will support them as the aim is to ensure public officials feel the pulse of the people.
Kung ano man po ang magiging polisiya ng anumang departamento, kung ito naman po ay reasonable at hindi po nalalabag ang karapatang pantao, hindi po iyan hahadlangan ng Pangulo. At maganda lang po ang magiging adhikain nito para kung sino man po ang mga public officials natin ay talaga maranasan na kung ano ang naranasan ng mga pangkaraniwang mananakay.